Hi gorgeous, welcome again to Wendy Styles. What I want you guys to know about this beautiful short styles you're about to watch now is that you can't really go wrong, with short hairstyles. So whether you have the salt and peppered hair or you have your gray hair, for the beautiful matured women, this haircut is for you guys because this is a hairstyle that will take many years off your age, and it's a wash and go hairstyle. Aging hair can be tough sometimes to deal with, but keeping it this short definitely helps. Do not forget, short hair is sassy because when you do some kind of short hairstyles like this, man, you're gonna look good, you're gonna look beautiful, you're gonna look younger. And one thing with these styles is that please don't forget to use the best product like the MIELLE, which I always talk about. You can get it in the market for $7 to $20, depending on the particular one you want. You can order online, or you can also check through Amazon, through AliExpress. There are many ways you can get it, or even in your local shops around you. You can get those products. I also talk about the koi sauce. I always talk about the kings and kois. This is a new year. You got to use some beautiful products. For those that love colors, you can try the kings and kois. At least you can get it. It's produced by what's his name again? It's produced by Steven in Atlanta, Georgia, the owner of Step the Barber. And you can get it within that range of $7 to $20. You don't have to break the bank. It's something you can use for as long. Like sometimes I use some of my hair product for 1 to 2 months. So at least it will always make me look gorgeous, because it's something I do most times on the house. And our advice, beautiful matured women, sometimes it's good to learn this photo. Like I have many videos of do it yourself at home, some styles you can try at home. It's not difficult learning this. Maybe just on the video with those products, or even any product that suits your hair texture. You can see it on the front of your mirror. Try this. It's as simple as ABC, and you are good to go. You don't need to go to the barber or salon for you to have your hair done. So sometimes if it's difficult for you maybe to barb yourself, you can just go to the barber or the stylist. Just tell them to give you some simple cuts. You can go for the tapered cut, you can go for the pixie cut, you can go for the burst cut. For those that love the low to no hair, just let them give you that cut you want. Then you come back home, use the product and style yourself. It's as simple as that, and you will come out looking so gorgeous. Somebody will even think you have spent some $1 million on your head, not knowing that it's just a simple thing till you have the products right there in the house. So our advice to always have the product. Like we have the Kings and Coils, yes, I've talked about it, the MIELLE kit. We have the Dukes. The Dukes is another good product that will give you those defined coils you want. We have even the Eco Professional Styling Gel is another thing that can give you that beautiful coils you also want. There are so many products. As times goes on, just stay look to this channel. I'll be bringing you good products that I can recommend, and this product have used them before, so that's why I can recommend it to anyone. They are hair friendly. Any texture of your hair, it goes well with it, and will give you those coils you want. Or you want those sleek hair, go for the Kings and Coils. So you want those beautiful platinum colors or the creme blonde color you want, Kings and Coils will give you that perfect color without damaging your hair or your scalp. So with this in mind, let me let you guys to please savor the styles we have for you guys. Let me know your minds in the comment section below. I appreciate my able and beautiful matured mamas in the building. God bless you guys. Stay locked away in the styles, and see you guys in my next video. Catch ya in my next video.
What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? It can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do